Hello and welcome to this class. Today we want to talk about the adaptation of arboreal organisms. We've said that arboreal organisms are organisms that live on plants. So we want to look at the features that allow or that makes it possible for these organisms to live on top of trees. You may know some organisms that live on tree like birds, like squirrel and other organisms. We've talked about this when we discussed habitats, the arboreal habitats. Now, the features that allow these organisms to live on a tree are these. Most of them have wings, like the birds, so they can fly to the top of the tree. So, possession of a wing is an adaptative feature of arboreal organisms. They use the wings to fly to the top of the tree. Then some of them also have long tail, very long tail, and the tail or long tail like that helps them to keep balance while they are on top of a tree. So long tail for balancing. Some of them have long tail. Then another feature of arboreal adaptative feature is arboreal adaptation is possession of strong claws. Because they have to jump from one branch of a tree to another branch, they need to have strong claw so that they can grasp the branches easily. So the possession of a strong claw, claw like the finger of small animals like that. So they used to have very strong one, and that is an adaptative feature of arboreal organisms. I s- then examples of arboreal organisms include example of arboreal organisms include birds, squirrel, snake, and other organisms, even monkey. Some of them do not always stay on top of tree. They always come there to do certain things. Like some of them come there to nest and to have their babies while they feed in the terrestrial environment. Then some of them climb tree to sleep, while some of them go there visit trees to do certain things, while some seem to be permanently residing on top of tree like the birds that you will always see on top of trees. So this is all about the arboreal organisms, and I hope that this lesson is clear. So say that we gave examples: birds, birds, squirrel, monkey, and others, etc. Then we talked about possession of a claw, strong claw. We talked about long tail. We talked about wings, and then you can also find out some other adaptative features that these arboreal organisms have. Thank you.